Hey, what is up going guys? It's been literally quite some time since we did a full-blown Switch review. But since we're back, we have a lot of things to cover and we start again with the Akko Rosewood. Akko did send the Switches in for a review, but that won't affect my thoughts and opinions in making this video. Our hobby is slowly healing as some Switches like here, the Akko Rosewood, have a deep respect for how Switches were then before the hype of the long poles or the pole bottom out Switches. In here, we got a full nylon housing with a nylon stem measured at 12.4mm. The springs have a length of 21.5mm with an actuation force of 40 and bottoming out at 47 grams. The switch gives us a total travel of 4mm, a full travel switch that has its rails bottoming out. Contrary to our previous testing, we'll switch up our format for doing the sound test. I'll be using my CL60 with a 50A gummy O-ring. With this, we'll be putting up the switches up to the test with ALU, PC, and FR4 plates. For the keycaps, we won't be going forward with a PVT test anytime soon. But as far as the ABS test, we'll still make use of the GMK WOB to test the switches. Let's start with the typing feel. Although I did mention for quite some time that I tend to make typographical errors on lighter switches, the Rosewood compensated for that full travel, leaving me to type accurately at ease. The soft bottom out makes the overall typing feel not exactly mushy but has a pleasant feeling to it. I can honestly say that these switches won't make your fingers fatiguing in the longer hours, since the spring has a great balance of snappy downstroke and upstroke. As for the sound profile, well, they pretty much said it themselves. It's literally deep. Chances are that the decision for a nylon stem made all the difference here, as that would also factor in how we got a softer bottom out with the Rosewood. However, we did hear some pop from the switches in our sound test. That being said, it can be mistaken for the switch to be muted on foamless configuration, albeit having an amount of factory lube on the bottom housing. Okay, this is a tip for everyone. If a switch has a full travel and has its stem rails bottoming out, it's not exactly ideal to have its bottom housing have a large amount of lube. Otherwise, it would make the switch really muted. But all in all, props to Akko, they know what they're doing for Rosewood. To sum it all up, for a deep and good typing feel switch, they went with a nylon stem, going for a full travel and have its rails bottoming out, and decent amount of factory lubing, especially on the bottom housing, but not too much to make it sluggish. I'd say that this is a great recommendation if you're into the following. 1. If you aim for that talky sound signature and foamed up with your keyboard. Second, If you don't like the hassle of the silent switches, this is a great alternative for office use. And third, that great spring accommodates for a great typing feel. If you opt to get one for yourself, it's currently available on Akko's website, priced at $13.99 for 45 pieces and $27.98 for the 90 pieces. Here in the Philippines, it's also available on Shopee from Akko store, priced at 1,370 pesos with free shipping. Anyway guys, that's pretty much about for this review. Hope you enjoyed watching this, as we'll be putting out more reviews in the future. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned in. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace!